Hi children, welcome. Today in this Bhartruhari Subhashitani lesson, last two slokas, 9th and 10th slokas we are going to learn. I hope you understood the writing pattern for this question. In your exam paper, question number 1 out of 2 slokas is to be answered. Weightage is for 6 marks. In this question, beginning and ending of stanza will be given. You need to complete the stanza and write the summary. Before writing the stanza, you need to write the introduction also. Okay, that means you should start with introduction and followed by stanza, completing the filling the stanza, and then the summary of the sloka. Okay, Bhartruhari Subhashita Slokam 9th one. Shrotram Shrutenaiva Nakundalena Danena Panirnatu Kankanena Vibhati Kayah Karuna Paranam Paropakarairnatu Chandanena. Shrotram Shrutenaiva Nakundalena Danena Panirnatu Kankanena Vibhati Kayah Karuna Paranam Paropakarairnatu Chandanena. Shrotram Shrutenaiva. In this Shrutenaiva, two words are there. Shrutena eva. Okay? Shrutena eva, Shrutenaiva, Vriddhi Sandhi. Na Kundalena, Danena, Panirna, Panihi na, Panirna, Panihi na, Panirna. Tu Kankanena, Vibhati Kayaha, Karunaparanam, Paropakarairna, like Panirna, here also Paropakaraihi na, tu Chandanena. Okay. In this sloka, the poet ridicules the display of expensive ornaments and jewelry. We will see the word meaning. Here, in this Vibhati, Vibhati means shines or becomes glorious is there na. This word can be used for all the sentences. Okay. Shrotram, that means ear. Shrutena, by listening sacred knowledge. Shruti means actually Vedas. So, by listening Vedas, Shastras and the scriptures. That means by listening sacred knowledge. Then here you have to take that Vibhati word, shines. That means ears shines by listening sacred knowledge. Eva only. Okay. Na Kundalena, not by the earrings, not by wearing earrings. Our ears will shine by listening sacred knowledge only. Next, Danena Panihi. Danena, by charity, means by helping others. Panihi, hand. Panihi means hand. Danena, by charities, by helping others only. Vibhati, our hand will glow, shines by giving or by helping others only. Natu, not by. Kankanena, by the bracelet, not by the wearing bracelet. Next, Kayaha. Kayaha means body. Kayaha means body. Karuna. Karuna means compassion. Paranam, of those devoted to. Okay. Paropakaraihi, by helping others. Then here again the Vibhati will come here. Then our body will glow by helping others only. Okay. Natu Chandanena, not by applying sandalwoods or sandal paste and all. Understood? In this Bhartruhari Subhashitam 9th sloka also, the introduction is same only. This stanza is taken from the lesson Bhartruhari Subhashitani, written by Bhartruhari. He lived in 57th BC. He wrote these 3 satkas, Niti Satakam, Srungar Satakam and Vairagya Satakam. In these satkas, each stanza is an independent one. Hence, these stanzas are known as Muktakas. Present lesson is an extract from the Niti Satakam. After writing introduction, you need to fill the stanza and then followed by summary. Here, Shrotram Shrutenaiva Nakundalena danena panir natu kankanena. After writing this sloka, you need to write summary. Summary is, Bhartrihari ridicules the display of expensive ornaments and jewellery. He points out that the true ornament of the ears is listening to the Vedas and scriptures and not the earrings. Okay, the real ornaments for the hands is the giving of alms in charity and not the bracelets. Similarly, the real beauty of the body is the service rendered to others and not the application of sandalwood paste, like applying chandan and all. Okay. Bhartrihari Subhashitani, last sloka, 10th one. Chinnopi rohati taruhu kshinopyupajiyate punaschandraha iti vimrushantaha santaha santapyante na vilupta loke. Chinnopi rohati taruhu kshinopyupajiyate punaschandraha iti vimrushantaha santaha santapyante na vilupta loke. Words we will see. Chinnopi, chinnaha api, chinnopi. The word is chinnaha api. Okay. Then rohati, taruhu, kshinopyupajiyate. Here also kshinaha api upachiyate. Okay, kshinaha api upachiyate, kshinopi upachiyate. Punaschandraha, punaha chandraha, punaschandraha, punaha chandraha. Iti vimrushantaha santaha santapyante na viluptaha, na viluptaha loke, na viluptaha loke. Okay. Through this sloka, the poet is trying to convey us that good people, when they face problems or crises in life, they do not feel sad or hopeless because they know that good times will return. For this, poet is saying two examples. One is tree and one more moon. Now we will see the word meaning. Chinnaha, cut. Api, even. Rohati, grows again. Taruhu, tree. That means a tree grows back even though it is cut. Okay. Next, kshinaha, diminished. Api, even. Upachiyate, increases. That means grows. Punaha, again. Moon, chandraha. Okay. That means, and just as the moon decreases and increases again. Okay. Like that. Vimrushantaha, reflecting, thinking deeply. Good people, santaha, good people, wise people. Santapyante, become distressed or grieve. Na, not. Viluptaha, overwhelmed or confused. Loke, in this world. That means, just as a tree grows again even after it is cut, and just as the moon decreases and increases again, and wise people understand the difficulty situations and do not last forever. Okay. Introduction for this last 10th sloka also, like previous slokas only. This stanza is taken from the lesson Bhartrihari Subhashitani, written by Bhartrihari. He lived in 57th BC. He wrote 3 Shatakas, Niti Shatakam, Vairagya Shatakam and Sringara Shatakam. In these Shatakas, each stanza is an independent one. Hence, these stanzas are known as Muktakas. Present lesson is an extract from Niti Shatakam. After writing introduction for the sloka, you need to fill the stanza first, followed by summary. Here, Chinnopi rohati taruhu kshinopyupachiyate punaschandraha sloka summary is, a tree grows back even though it is cut. The moon wanes and waxes. Great people think thus and do not grieve when they are in difficulty situations. Okay. That means, just as a tree grows again even after it is cut, and just as the moon decreases and increases again, wise and great people understand that difficult situations do not last forever. Okay. Therefore, when they face problems and crises in life, they do not feel sad or hopeless because they know that good times will return. Okay. I hope you understood these slokas. Thank you. Bye.